Hi there, are you that greasy bastard I hired to fix my automobile? Yes, ya prick, what is that? You want me to work on one of those foreign hunks, or is it a domestic car? Don't talk, just work on my car. It won't start because yesterday when I was driving down the road it just went blarg. Well, I know what happened. You sucked the ghost of Quebec into your engine. You're quite the smug bastard, aren't you? There is no such thing as ghosts. Well, you can go to Jolly Pirate Donuts and take a 2-hour sheet for all I care if you don't believe me. Okay, tell me what to do then. I shall go and suck on the exhaust pipe and I'll pull down my pants and smear it on the windshield. What in God's name will that do? Well, you will suck the ghost out. I just like the feel of glass on my ass. Okay, that will work, but let's get crazy drunk first. Okay.